Welcome to the Email Warrior. This is part of our Own Your Time series. Now, the goal with this module is to clear your inbox and teach you how to keep it that way, to turn you into the email warrior that you are always destined to be. Now, when I talk about clearing your inbox, I don't mean get it down to zero. Sure, that might be possible in an idealistic world, but I think it's reasonable to aim for under 10 emails in your inbox. And this would be, of course, after you've processed email. If you go away to a meeting for 2 hours, of course, your inbox will grow bigger than that. But this is within your reach, no matter what kind of role you have, no matter how many emails you get already. I'm going to teach you in this module how to go from the mob approach to a lineup approach. A lot of people process their email very randomly, haphazardly, like, okay, I'll process that email and that one and that one. But what I instead encourage you to do is think about your email like a lineup of people. So you come away, you come back to your email after a meeting, there's a lineup of emails waiting for your attention. So you pull the first email forward. How can I help you? Maybe they want to book a meeting with you. You send your availability, you send a link to your calendar, and then they don't want to stay in line after they got what they wanted. You move that email out of your inbox, file it, delete it, archive it, you decide, but get it out of your inbox. And going through your email sequentially like that is the most effective way of processing your email. Now, of course, there are a lot of nuances there. So in this session, I'll teach you how to adopt the 3D approach, where we dedicate specific blocks of time to email throughout our day. You decide on that frequency. We use the do it now approach, so we're not being redundant and reading any email multiple times, and we're deferring the bigger chunks of work as appropriate. So in terms of dedicate time, we're not doing email all day long. Too many people are on email alert 24/7. And what I'm going to encourage you to do is to adopt a timely but not instantaneous response time. We can still provide timely responses. We just don't need to be on email all day long. We need to carve out other time for focus work and for meeting with other people. And I'll walk you through how to decide what the right email frequency is for you. In terms of do it now, I'll introduce you to a technique, otherwise known as the one-touch principle, where you're eliminating redundancy, and anytime you open an email, you're prepared to deal with it. In other words, for any tasks that take less than 5 minutes, you're going to process that task, that email, the first time you touch it. For the other tasks that take longer, you'll defer that task. You'll identify when you'll do that task, or you'll do it now, if you have the time right now, for the 10-minute, 20-minute, half an hour tasks. Now, as we already established, some tasks take 2-3 hours, or sometimes you need to pull more information together to process that email. So for those emails that require more work or more time, we don't want to let those sit in our inbox and get stale. Instead, we're going to make use of our to-do list, what I like to call your master action plan, so you can still move those emails out of your inbox. In this module, we'll also teach you how to clear your inbox. So I'll teach you a very streamlined approach to clear out those 10, 20, 50,000 emails that have been piling up over the past weeks, months, years, using a very streamlined approach that's not going to take you a long time. I'll show you how to streamline your folder structure that's probably been cobbled together and needs a little bit of love. I'll show you how to move out all those dinosaur emails that you weren't looking at anyways, and then clear the more recent emails. All of this will culminate in what I like to challenge you to, which is the 21-Day Email Warrior Challenge. 21 days of adopting this 3D approach, committing to getting that inbox clear, and really stepping into a new normal for how you process your email. And once you do that, your entire approach to work changes and your productivity is just supercharged. So I can't wait for you to experience this module. As I said, once again, it's part of the full Own Your Time program. It works really well with the other modules, can be a standalone module, but is very much complemented by the others as well. For more information about productivity, collaboration, or mindset, please refer to our website. We have a wealth of information from blogs to videos and so much more. And I'd love to connect with you on social media. Thanks for your time today, and I can't wait for you to become an email warrior.